guys, what's up and welcome back to a new video. So today is a tutorial scratch episode 7 and I have just opened up a new project and I'm going to name this project, let me color underscore drawing, right? So today guys, we are going to be making a project in which we can use the pen to draw and color sprites and stuff. So we're going to have a few colors over here. We're going to have some brush types. We're going to have the eraser tool and we're going to have all of that good stuff. And hopefully it works because I haven't made this before. I'm just starting right now. And it's been quite some time since we did a scratch video. The last one that I did was a maze game. But today I'm going to start off with the first components, which are the colors, which are going to come over here. This row over here. I'm going to get myself. First of all, I'm going to get red. I think red seems like a good color to get, and I'll just center that out. Yeah, all right, good. And we can name this red underscore color, right? And then we can duplicate this. So we duplicate, 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 and duplicate. And for this one, we'll probably fill this in with, I don't know, orange. Yeah, orange seems good. This one will do yellow. All right, this one we'll do green. And this one, we're going to make it blue. All right, we're going to probably add some more. Let me just check it out. Let me quickly go ahead and read orange underscore color. All right, then here we need, which one is this? Yellow. God, I can't even type. Color. All right. This one we're going to name green underscore color. And this one is going to be blue underscore color. Alright. Okay, so now we are done with that. Why don't we go ahead and position these? I'm going to quickly go here when the green flag is clicked. How about this? Go to X. I'm going to make it 30, minus 30. Okay, or maybe minus 200, maybe minus 210. Yeah, so minus 210. And Y minus 150 should do it, maybe. All right, yeah, that's pretty well positioned. I'm gonna actually put that into red. Right, and for orange, I'm gonna make it minus 180. Will that work? That's 30 less. No, that's 2 less. How about minus 150? So that's 60 less. All right. So we just change that over here. In yellow, we're going to make this minus 90. Now I'll explain to you how all of this works just after I'm done. Okay, we make this minus 40. No, 30. Yeah, minus 30. And this will be minus 30 plus 60, which is 30. Right? So yeah, we can definitely afford to put a few more colors in. So what this is doing is that the go-to block sets the position of the sprite, which is the object, on the x and y coordinates. So this is x minus 240, this is 240. If you haven't watched the previous videos that I have posted, and you might want to go ahead and watch those, maybe watch the other ones, other YouTubers while you're at it, so you get a better understanding. But this one I'm going to make dark blue. This one I'm going to keep purple. And this one I'll keep pink. And then I think I'll need a black. Right? So let me quickly rename these to D blue. And I'll make this purple. Okay. And I'll make this pink. Alright, so now we can position these as well. Quickly. Okay, so this is 30. We'll do plus 60, which is 90. Then over here, we'll get 90 plus 60, 150. And we'll do it over here as well, which is 210. Oh, it seems we don't have space for black. Alright, it's fine. We'll probably do it somewhere else. Okay, now that looks pretty good to me. Now, basically what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to select and we will be able to color with them. So why don't we make a button mechanism, okay? So let me see. If I click the sprite, then I want to show that the sprite has been selected, right? So what I do, I'm going to go to costume. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to name this color. I'm going to name this selected, right? Okay, without the caps lock. And over here, I might want to put a border, right? So I can do that. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to copy this. Control C. Come over here, new sprite. Control V. Will that work? Nope, it does not work. That's fine. How about I do this? Duplicate, and you have to do the same thing again, just over there. And then we're gonna go to here. We're gonna make duplicate. We're gonna do this. All right. We come to green, duplicate. All right, blue. Oh, that seems too big. How about this? Oh no, Command Z. No, no. Yeah. All right, that's blue done. Oh wait, where did it go? There we go. It's green done. What? Wait, what's happening? I get it. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that. And we'll do that. Alright, that's green done. For blue again, we'll have to do it, well, I suppose. And that looks good enough. Here we'll do it. What? Why is this becoming? I'm not using the rectangle tool, is it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, and purple. There we go. And pink. Oh no, rectangle tool. Alright then. Yeah. Alright, now we're done with that. Oops. No. Okay. No, select. Oh god, this is so irritating. Hope you're following along, guys. I know it's a little bit weird doing this like this, but I suppose you have to do it. It takes time programming. Okay, I'm gonna make this bigger. What? No. Okay, and fill that in with what is happening? What? Okay, this is weird, but I'm just gonna okay, duplicate that. Why does this? I don't get it. Duplicate this, and over here I want it to be just like that. All right, done. Avi, good job. So now we have these costumes, and now I think we're gonna have a variable. So I usually, whenever working with variables, I make a sprite for them, variable, and I usually do that variable list, but I doubt we're going to be using lists over here. But we are going to be using variables. First one we're going to use is color. So we want to define what color we're going to be using, right? So in the beginning we're going to set color to 0. Let me just click none actually. And when we come over here, when this point is clicked, set the color to red. right? So what this is doing is that whenever the sprite is being clicked, red sprite is being clicked, it is changing the color value to its own color. So that's orange, right? And then for this one, we're gonna have yellow. So hopefully if you are making this and you are following along, that's great. This one we're gonna make green. This one we're gonna make blue. This one we're gonna make, well, D blue. D blue. This one we're gonna make, well, purple. You guessed it. I mean, there's nothing really to guess. If you of course don't know your colors, then I mean there is something to guess. But this is gonna be pink. And yeah, that's it. Now you can see the color value over here. You know, this is how variables work in Scratch. So whenever I click one of these icons, I can see which color it is, right? And now what I want, whenever I have not selected something, I don't want this black box to be around it. So what I can do is I can go to events, when this is clicked, forever loop, if else then equals, I'm going to explain all of this, right? So just wait. Color equals, okay, this is blue, right? So if color equals blue, switch costume to, well, costume 2, else, oh no, switch costume to costume, yeah, okay. So basically what this is doing is, it is running this forever. It's inside a forever loop. So whenever I click this, it will be running forever. And it is forever checking whether or not the variable color is equal to blue. So right now color is equal to day blue, no, dark blue. And if it is equal to blue, which is if, then it's going to switch to costume 3. So which costume 3 is this costume over here. And if it's not equal to blue, which is true right now, it's going to switch to costume 2, which is this one. So as soon as I click this, you can see that it's changed, right? And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to transfer it to all of the colors. So, you know, it is quite repetitive, because, you know, it's kind of like this, a very similar program. But I'm going to do that, and over here I'm going to change the value, instead of blue to red. Over here I'm going to change it, instead of blue to orange, right? Over here I'm going to change it, instead of, well, okay, no, instead of orange to yellow. Over here, well, instead of blue to green. And then over here blue, and then this is dark blue, I suppose, D blue over here, and then this is going to be purple, um, and this is going to be pink, right? So there we go. Now if I run the program, okay, yeah, and you've also got to change the costume name. So this is color, and this is going to be selected. Now this is going to be costume 1 and costume 2. This is going to be costume 1 and costume 2. This is going to be costume 1 and costume 2. This is going to be 1 and, well, how do I get rid of the blue? Okay, I'm just going to do this. It's just lazy. I'm just lazy. Okay, and this is going to be costume 2 and costume, yeah, alright. This is going to be costume, what am I doing? Okay, duplicate this. Here I'm going to change it to, well, in colored blue, purple, I mean. This is going to be, well, pink colored, costume 1 and costume 2. Alright, so let me run that again. We have a problem, do we? So we're going to make this selected, and we're going to make, no, this is supposed to be color. So costume color. No idea why this works. No idea why this doesn't work. Okay, yeah, so we have to make this selected and we have to make this color, I suppose. And we have to make this we have to make this costume 2, costume 1. We have to make this costume 2, costume 1. So when I click this, none of them should be on except for green. Okay, change this to vice versa, right? Blue, dark blue, fine. Change this costume 2, costume 1, and there we go. So whenever we click them, we get a highlight showing us that that is the color that we have selected. Alright, then now we can start on with doing the pen stuff, right? So if I go here to pen and I can do, I mean, let me create a new thing, sprite, and I can do this pen, right? And I can come to variable lists and I can set the pen color. Can I do that? Yes, I can set the pen color to color and I can put that in a forever loop. So what the pen color is the color that I'm going to be drawing with, right? And color is going to be the color that I'm going to be drawing with. So actually delete that, put that there, put that in there. I know it's repetitive again, but this part is going to be relatively easy and easy at least than all of the other parts. Okay, so delete this. Now over here what we want to do is you want to change to red, just drag and drop. Over here, well again, click it and drop. Here, click and drop. Here, click and drop. A swish and a flick. What? Okay, and there we go. Blue and purple. And in the end, finally, pink. Right? Alright, so now that that is done, we have changed the pen color all the time. Now we have to take an input that our mouse is down and we are, well, drawing. So, we're going to do pen. So, okay, so let's go to variables, list pen, and we'll do when this is clicked forever, if then. If mouse down, then pen is down. So basically what it's doing is that it is setting the pen down. And now what I want to do is I want to repeat until mouse not down, right? So let me just show you what this program's done. And then I want to go to or let me just do, well, go to mouse pointer. Alright, so look at that. I can draw whatever I want. Right, so now how this is working is that it's checking whether or not the mouse is down, right? And if it is down, then it is going to that position until I lift the mouse, right? So until I lift the mouse, it is going to the position. And also, see, you can see this. If I come here and I come here, I'm drawing a line, but I don't want to do that. So over here, I do pen up. So that is going to fix this problem. So I can draw whatever I want. But why is pen not up? Pen up. Okay, look at this. Why don't we do this? So I think this should work. So before pen down, it is going to go to mouse pointer and then start drawing. Yeah. And in the beginning, it's going to clear everything out. So let's do that. So we can happily draw, we can draw a happy face. Let's use purple eyes. Let me use red mouth, but mouth, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Oh, I know why it's not working. Okay, so it's not working because it is setting the pen color of red color to done. So basically each sprite has its own pen color. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have to delete all of these. Unfortunately, all the work that we have done, I feel sad, but but we are getting somewhere, aren't we? So it's good. We can delete this, delete this, delete this, and we can come to pen and we can have this one. And we're going to do another forever loop. And now we're going to check the variable and we're going to set the pen color. So I think this should work. Let's just try. If I try red, it shows black, so it doesn't have red. What about orange? No, it has no orange. Okay, so we're gonna have to do a very big if loop. So we're gonna do if color equals red. So if color equals red, then set pen color to this. Yeah. Then we're gonna have to duplicate that. If it's equaling orange, orange. If it equals yellow. Alright, if it equals green, then we're gonna do if it equals blue, if it equals D blue, if it equals purple, and if it equals pink, right? Red is red, orange is orange, yellow is yellow, green is red. What? Green is red? No, it's not. D blue is dark blue. Purple is purple. Pink is pink. Alright, and we can put that there. And now let us try, shall we? So let me try red. There you go, it works. So again, I'm gonna have purple eyes. I'm gonna have red mouth. I've got a green nose. Which is weird. And then I'm gonna have, I don't know, pink eyebrows. And I'm gonna have a blue face with some orange ears. That is my drawer. Okay, now is the pen types. I don't think I'm gonna actually do that in this episode. The episode is already 20 minutes long. And so I don't really want to do it. But we can add a clear button, alright? So I'm gonna go a new sprite. Is there buttons? Buttons? No buttons. Okay, I'm gonna get myself a simple button. There you go. And on top of this button, I'm actually going to make it even more simpler. I'm just going to paint it black and white. Yeah, right. And I'm going to write some text. This text is going to say clear. What? No. Convert to bitmap. It's easier to work with, bitmap. Clear. All right. So whenever I click this button, so we do when this is clicked, or so when this sprite is clicked, clear, right? So that's going to help. So let's say I'm just doing random stuff and I want to clear. There you go. It clears it for you. Okay, now that is amazing, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you could follow along. I know it took some time because it was the first time me making this as well. Now you can of course make these buttons smaller and add tons of different colors. You can even add thing to choose your own color. That'll be a bit tough, but I'm sure it can be done. And you can add all of these colors over here. You can add custom paintings and stuff. You can add a lot of add-ons to this. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like down below, and comment for future projects that you want to see me do. I've got a few in mind, and I'll see how everything turns up. But guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. a lot of guys.